In this video, I'm going to be showing you the 3DS update version 9.0.0. This update just came out last week, so if you haven't updated your 3DS, definitely go to System Settings and check for the new 3DS update that's rolling out now. Now, what this update actually does, it actually just changes a lot of things in the actual home screen. It doesn't do anything else but the home screen. They're kind of minor updates to the 3DS home screen, but what they do well, and this is the biggest update we've had in a very long time to the 3DS. So I'm going to actually take you a tour around the actual 3DS and show you some of the changes Nintendo made. As you can see on the screen, the biggest changes that the home screen has actually got is actually just cosmetic changes. It hasn't really changed all that much. It basically looks the same with some minor differences. Now, one of the major differences the 3DS has actually got for the home screen, it actually now allows you to access the top bar with the D-pad or the Circle Pad Pro, or the Circle Pad basically. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. As you can see, you can now access the top bar without using your finger or a stylus. You can use the D-pad or the circle pad if you would like. So there you go, accessing the top panel with the D-pad. And as you can see on screen, the top bar actually has bigger icons now. The notifications, friends list, game notes, internet browser, Miiverse, they're just bigger icons altogether, so they did give us bigger icons for that too, which is very nice. Another thing I cannot show you in this video is notifications. Notifications are somewhat different than they were before. Now, when you get a new notification that comes through, it will show you on the bottom screen a little preview of it, so you'll know what notification just came in. Now, I do think you do have to be on the home screen before you can actually activate that. So if you're not on the home screen, you won't be able to see that. So I do think it's only for the home screen. Now, another big feature that the home screen has actually gotten is now screen cap. Now, you can actually screen cap your home screen if you would like to. On the top screen, you can see a little icon right there that says that shows a little camera, and it shows a little square. That's where you actually take your screen caps. You press Y, and once you press Y, it'll say screen cap, Y plus up, Y plus down for lower screen, Y plus up for top screen, and you can choose what screen you want to screen cap. Let's take a picture of the top screen for a demo. And there it is, the screen just flashed, and that means you're actually taking a picture. And if you want to check what the picture looks like, just go into your camera roll, the same place where you take your actual 3DS pictures, and that's where it will be. One downside of the screen cap is you can only screen cap your home screen, the top or bottom screen. You can choose which one you want, but you can't screen cap in a game. I hope later on in the future Nintendo will allow you to screen cap in a game. That would be really, really useful if you could screen cap in a game. Maybe this 3DS can't handle it, but maybe with the newer 3DSs coming out with the more better CPU, a little bit ramped up CPU, you might be able to actually screen cap in a game, or maybe they'll make that an update. That would be very, very useful. But right now, it's not too useful just to screen cap your home screen. Another thing Nintendo actually added is they changed where the settings is. Settings is no longer a little icon at the bottom of the screen. It's actually part of the top panel now, so they did change where it is. And one of the biggest features this whole thing brings is themes to the 3DS. You can now use themes on the 3DS, so you don't have to keep looking at the same icons in the same white background. We do have themes now, so I'm going to go ahead and show you those. Once you click on this, it's on the top bar, you will get changed themes, screen brightness, power saving, Nintendo 3DS image share. Now, Nintendo 3DS image share is basically where you screen cap your home screen and you can share your image on Facebook or Twitter. I think as of this time, those are the only two social networks that are supported. I may be wrong, but the last time I checked, it was Facebook and Twitter, so no Instagram support or whatever, just Twitter and Facebook. Those are the ones you can share your screenshots of your home screen to. And once you click on Nintendo 3DS image share, it will actually take you to the internet browser. It will take you to the internet browser to actually post those pictures. So I'm not going to click on it. It will just be a big ass waste of time in this video to actually click on it, because you know how the Nintendo 3DS browser is pretty slow. So I'm not going to bore you with that and show you how that works and anything. It's just your standard. Then you got system settings, and that's where system settings is now. They have moved it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on a change theme. Once you change theme, that's where you actually change the theme. When you get this update, you do get 5 default colors. They're nothing fancy. You do get some default colors. So you got basic red, blue, yellow, pink, black, and do not use a theme. So you can't just make it the way it was before. Without this update, you can just use a regular theme. Without a theme. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply black and show you what black looks like. There's what black looks like. And all the other colors will just be the same thing with just a different color. I'm not going to go through all the colors and show you what they're going to look like on your 3DS. But once you get the gist of it, there it is. I'm going to go back into change theme and just set it back to default. Now, you can actually get more sophisticated themes besides these just plain themes if you want to. Going back into there and changing theme. You can go to a thing in the actual settings right here that says theme shop, and you can actually buy themes from Nintendo. Now every theme I've seen has been $1.99. That may be a little high, maybe the wrong price, I don't know. It's up to you to decide if you like that price, but they all are going for $1.99. I'm gonna go ahead and load it up, and it is its own separate store from the eShop. It is not part of the eShop, so if you're wondering how to change your theme and everything, it is its own shop from the eShop. They're not the same thing. It's not in there or anything. And it does have its own music, so I'm going to turn up the volume so you can hear the music. So there's the music. I don't know if you can hear it well in the video, but there's the music playing. It does have its own music like the eShop. And you can actually redeem codes for themes in the future. They already implemented that. I don't know how that's going to work. You may be able to get themes through pre-ordering games, or you may be able to get themes through Club Nintendo. I'm not quite sure how that works, but you can redeem codes. They already have that set up, but I just don't know how that's going to work. And as of right now, nobody has codes to redeem anyway, so we're all skeptical, or we don't know how that's actually going to work. So you have new themes, characters, designs and patterns, Mario and all themes, and theme collection. I'm going to take you through the characters first. Now, they only have, I think, Mario characters at this time, but you can get other franchises and other Nintendo characters at a later date. We just don't have them yet. As time goes by, we will be getting more themes and more different franchises. But as of now, most of them are all based around the Mario universe. So we have Spinner Peach, Rosalina, Bowser, Luigi, Yoshi, Mighty Mushrooms, Mario, NES Mario Woodburn, Mario something stamped. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Peach. Now once you click on the theme you want to buy, it will show you a little preview. As you can see, the top screen, the bottom screen. So in the store, they're just two static screens. They're just two pictures basically. I wish Nintendo would actually let you apply them to your 3DS before you buy them, so you know if you actually want the theme. That would be very, very cool. It's kind of an inconvenience that they're two little pictures, but I guess it's better than nothing. I just wish they were applied to your 3DS before you bought them so you can test them. And then if you move down, it says purchase for $1.99. All the themes on the shop are $1.99 as of right now. They may be higher in the future or cheaper in the future. And it does say normal wallpaper, animated wallpaper, and original music. Basically, some themes in the eShop have animated wallpaper. Basically means like if you bought the Mario NES one, basically every time you scroll around your home screen, Mario jumps around, or jumps, basically. And each animation is a little bit different for each character. I only know the Mario one, where every time you scroll with the NES Mario, he jumps up and down. And then you got original music, so every time you boot up your home screen, you will get music. I do wish Nintendo would actually allow you to turn these features off. Maybe you want the theme, but you don't want the music or the animation. Those you may not want all the time. So I wish in the future they do implement that to where you can turn off the music and you can turn off the animation, because some people may not want that. They may like the theme, but it may get repetitive or annoying that the animation is there and that the music's there. And then before I head out of this video, I am going to show you some of the other themes besides the character themes. So they do have designs and patterns are just a little more simpler. They're still better than the basic colors you get with this update. And they still do cost $1.99. So you got Hamafudu, Mighty Mushroom, Star, Gold and Black, Gold and White, Black and White. All these different ones. They're not too many. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Hanafudu so you can get the gist that they're not character specific. They're just patterns basically. And there's the pattern for Hanafudu. And there's what it looks like. And anyway, this is just an update or a system tour for the update of the new Nintendo 3DS software. And anyway, peace out. I'll see you guys later in my next video.